Hello, good morning to everyone. In the last class, dear, we have already learned in exercise 5.1 what is an AP and what is a general form of an AP. Everyone know if in an AP, suppose A is the first term. What is? A is the first term and D is the common difference. Then general form an AP is A and common difference is D. Suppose A value is 4 and a common difference D is 3. D is 3. So how to find second term? A plus D. So 4 plus 3, 7. Understand? So it is A plus D. Next, 7 plus 3, 10. A plus D plus D. A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D, A plus 7D. Like this one, we can write this AP up to him. Understand? We can write or not? So now dear, always remember, it is we called A is first term. A1. So we will denote always first term A1. A1 mean dear, you will say A1 mean first term of an AP. What? There is a two example of the APs. It is first example, it is second example. First term of AP is A. Same as it is dear. If I ask you what is here A1 value, A1 is 4. Always remember A1 always equal to A. A mean first term. A1 mean first term of an AP. A2, if I write A2, it is meaning dear, A2 mean second term. What is at second? So A2. So what term at the second position? A2 mean second term of AP. So 7. A3, 10. Understand? But dear, in A2, what is second term here? A plus D. It is A plus A3 equal to A plus 2D. A4. A4 dear, A plus 3D. Are you understand? What is fourth term? A plus 3D. Same as it is here is A4 13. A5 16. Understand it? Same as it is. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. First term A1, A2, A plus D, A3, A plus 2D, A plus A4, A plus 3D. Always remember, if it is any AP is given, we will use these notation here. Always remember. A1 equal to A. It means A2 is always, second term is always A plus D. A3, A plus 2D. Same as it is here. If you will find A10. A10, we observe that what is A10? We observe that A4, it is here 4. A plus 3D, 1 less. A3, A plus 2D, 1 less. A2, it is 2, A 1D. Same as it is 1. And A plus 0D, 1 less. 0 into D, 0. And A. Understand here? Now A10 is A plus 9D. Same as it is dear. If I ask you A100 means what is the 100th term of the AP? A plus 99D. But everyone know dear, the counting are never finished. So what is the last term? So we are taking, suppose last term is N. Which one term? Nth term. Nth term. We will find a term which is the at nth term. Nth term means it is a general. You can make an AP with using of nth term also. So what is nth term? In place of 100 I am writing N. N mean dear, nth term of an AP. Nth term. It is very important. If you understand this one, all question of 5.2 you can solve yourself very easy. So what is nth term? What is nth term? So A plus, and here if it is 100, then here is 100 minus 1. It is 10. So here is 10 minus 1. Same as it is here is n. So we will write n minus 1 bracket. Always write in bracket and multiply by d. So this is the formula of finding the nth term of an AP. Understand here? In every question dear, here is the 4 values. A is the first term, D is common difference, N mean total number of terms. What is meaning of? If I write here N, 9, so how to come 9? 10 minus 1. So what is? 10 mean number of terms. And A4, A3, A2, A1, AN. A3 mean third term. A5 mean, if I write here A5, it mean fifth term. What is fifth term? And if it is write N mean total number of terms. You have to remember. Understand here? So here you can write here also if you want to write A1. A1 is the first term. A1 is always equal to A. And what is it is 7. A2. A2 mean A plus D. Second term always we will find A plus D. How much? It is 4 dear. It is 7. A plus 3D. A plus 2D equal to 10. Next is A4 always A plus 3D equal to 13. We will use this one. A plus 4D equal to 16. It is very important here. So please, so now we will write formula. No need to note down. Only for it is for explanation. Okay. So now dear, it is very important. This formula, if you understand, all the question of exercise 5.2 you can solve yourself. So what is given? Suppose if it is any AP is given, in the question is given any AP with first term, suppose first term is given A and common difference is D. Then how to find nth term? Nth mean dear, you can find any terms. If examiner asks you find 100th term, so in place of n we will put 100. Okay. And an, so here is given the nth term, or otherwise of nth term you can say that general term. Both are same. Of an AP, what is formula? How to find? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So there is the 4 variable is given. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is the 4 of the variable is given. So in every question dear, definitely out of 4 there is the value of 3 variable is always given. Of the 3 out of 4, 3 variable is given, you have to find 1. Understand? Maybe an value given, a value given, n given, and he asked find D. Maybe D given, n given, and a given, find n. Suppose it is very simple example. Suppose I am telling you, if A equal to, A mean first term, A is the 4 and D is 2. D is 2. So find A10. Find the A10 value. A10 mean dear, find the 10th term. What is 10th term? So 10th term A10. So we have to find A10. So in place of A10, in place of an 10 equal to A value 4, not 10. You can find, suppose very small numbers. Suppose it is we want to find A3. What is A3? So we want to find in place of n is 3. A is 4 plus n. N is how? Because what is? It is always an. In place of n, what is 3? So n also 3. N we put 3, so here also 3 minus 1 into D. A3 equal to 4 plus 3 minus 2, 2D. And what is the value of D? D we know it is 2. 2 into 2. A3 is 4 plus 4, 8. So what is third term? 8. 8 or not? Otherwise you can write directly. A is first term is 4, D is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It is just an example dear. Don't be confused. So A3, third term is 8. First term, second term, third term is 8. This formula if you know, so you can solve every question. Understand dear? You can find by using of this one also, because we want to find what is A3. A3 mean dear, everyone know, general term A3 mean A plus 2. Same formula, A plus 2D. Look at A3. A is 2 plus 2 into D, 2. A is 4 dear. Look at same. 4 plus 2 into 2. Otherwise you can use this formula, because in place of n, 3 minus 1, 2. It is 2D. That's why. It is a short form, but it is in a brief. Okay? It is completely formula and it is in short. If you want to find A100, so you can find A plus 99D, because n how much? 100. 100 minus 1, 99D. So you can use this one or this one. But it is important dear. If you know only this one formula, you can solve all the question yourself. Nth term, how to find nth? A plus n minus 1 into D. So always remember what is meaning of an. So note down it is also an mean nth term of an AP. And A, what is A? A is the first term of an AP. Now N, what is N dear? N mean total number of terms. N mean total number of terms, and D mean common difference. Common difference. Because sometimes most of the students are confused in an and n. So always remember n mean total number of terms, how many terms, and an mean nth term, what term we want to find, what is fifth term. Like this one, suppose it is an AP. If I ask you how many number of term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 term, n is 5. But if I ask you find fourth term, fourth, nth, fourth, what is fourth term? 1, 2, 3, 4, it is fourth term. What is second term? 1, 2, it is 6. Understand? So please note down this formula dear, it is very important. Note down it. All exercise, all question is depend on this formula. Understand? Please note down. Now we will start our exercise. Now dear, first question of exercise 5.2. What is given? Fill in the blanks in the following tables. No need to make tables. Okay, you can write like this one also. Fill in the blanks in the table given that A is the first term, D is common difference, and an the nth term of an AP. So first part, so always we will write like this one. Given that, what is given here in first part? A equal to 7, D equal to 3 or minus 3. It is 3 and n is 8. Find an. What? Find an. So always dear we will write first formula. What I told you, only there is the 4 things. There is the 3 things is given. We have to find one thing. So we will write first. We know that. Always we will write first formula. We know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is formula of nth term. So now we want to find an. What is n? N is 8. So we want to find a8 value. Understand or not? Because in place of n, how much given? 8. So 8th term of an AP. So what is A? A is dear 7 plus n 8 minus 1 bracket close, D is 3. A8 equal to, always first we will 8 minus 1 7 and 7 into 3. A8 equal to dear 7 plus 21. A8 equal to 28. So it is your answer. A8 mean AN. In place of n is 8. So 8th term of NAP is 28. You can verify also dear, because everyone know A is 7. Next is D is 3. So every time we are adding how much? 3. 7 plus 3, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 28. Yes. Which number of term 28? 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8th. Understand? Maybe examiner ask you find the 19th term. 19, because only if you will know this AP, so it is very difficult. Because if you don't know what is, if I write only this one, 7, 10 and 13, find the 8th term. So if you will write like this one, so it is very time taking. Some students are saying, sir, it is not time taking, it is easy. It is not easy, because if examiner asks you find 1000th term, so how will you find? We cannot write in exam like this one. But it is easier one. A plus n mean 1000, 100,000 minus 1. So it is one. This formula is very important and easiest one also. Okay, to solve the question. It is not time taking, but it is time taking process. Understand here? So you can verify also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th term is 28. Understand here? So it is your answer. Now look at here. Again, third part. What we will write? Given that, what is given? Now we will write formula. We know that. Always write formula first here. AN. Every time we will write. Don't write AN like this one. AN. It is wrong. A and downside. AN. Understand? AN. A plus n minus 1 into D. AN. How much? What is value of AN? Minus 5. Equal to A, we want to find. So you can write A in place of D. Now N. Now N we want to find. What? N. What is N? N is 18. 18. N is 18. Minus 1 into D. Minus 3. Look at minus 5. A plus 18 minus 1, 17. Multiply minus 3. So minus 5 A, negative into positive, negative. But we want to find value of A, so therefore we should remove minus 51. And negative another side, positive, everyone know. 51 equal to A. 1 negative, 1 positive. How much? 46. So what is value of the first term? A equal to 46. A equal to 46. You can verify also your answer if you want to verify it here. No need to verify, okay? Only look at A is 46 and D is minus 3. So A 46. How much adding? Minus 3. 43. Next is 40. 37. Next is 34, 31, 28, 25. Not 28, 25, 22. Next is 19, 16, 13, 10, 7, 4, 3. Not 3. It is 1. After 1, subtract 1 minus 3. How much? Minus 2, minus 5, and minus 5 AN. N is how much? 18. A 18 is minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It is easy one or not? So it is very important. So note down other parts of the first question you have to do yourself. So note down. Okay dear. Same as it is you can do rest of 3 part also. Please note down it. Now dear, second question. In the second question there is a 2 part given, part 1 and part 2. in every part there is a 4 option given. We have to choose the correct one. Okay, first and second part both are same. Dear, first part you have to do yourself. We are doing second part. Look at what is second part. Everyone know we want to find 11th term of the AP. 11th term mean what number we will come at the 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 like this one. So 11th term. So it is nth term. In place of 11 mean n is how much? 11. So nth term formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If you want to find any term, what we need? We need a first term. First term is given minus 3. Next is given n. N is how much? Nth term n 11. N is 11. A n. So we want to find nth term, 11th term. So we want to find what is value of a11. Okay. And one more thing we need. Difference. D mean common difference, but common difference is not a given. So first we will find all values a, n and d. So we will write first a equal to a is minus 3. Okay. Now we will find d, and d always dear how to find the differences of the two conjugative terms, any two terms. Otherwise you can write a2 minus a1. A2 mean second term minus first term, already given. First second term minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 up. Now negative sign. Now use bracket. Again negative dear. So what is minus 1 upon 2? It is plus 3. So it is become 2 into 3 taking LCM. 2 into 3 6. 6 minus 1 5. So what is D? D is 5 upon D. Now everyone know A we know. It is A, D we know, and N also. What is N? N means 11. So we will find. So we will write. We know that nth term of an AP of an AP. How much nth term? A n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. But we want to find 11th. In place of n is 11. So we will find A11 equal to A value minus 3 plus n is how much? 11 minus 1 into D. D is 5 upon 2. Dear. A11 equal to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 10. Multiply 5 into 2. And if they are multiply, can you cut? 2 cut ja 5. So it is become dear A11 equal to minus 3 plus 5 into 5 25. 25. So A11 is 22. So what is the 11th term? What number we will come at the 11th position? 1, 2, 3. It is 22. And n mean number of terms. Understand? But dear, D is 5 by 2. So it is very difficult. Find fourth term. 2 plus 5 by 2. Again we will add 5 by 2, 5 by 2. It is very difficult to adding a fraction. So it is very easiest formula. You have to remember only this formula. Every time dear in the question, 3 thing is given, we have to find one more thing. Understand dear? Please note down it. Same as it is in the first part. In place of 11, we will write 30. A30. A value we know. D value you can find by the first part. D how to find? A2 minus A1. Or you can write A3 minus A2. Any formula you can use it. Understand dear? So please note down it. Now we will do next questions. Now dear, third question. Find the missing number in the following APs. They are already given APs because in the question is given find the missing number in the APs. In the APs, it means their APs is given and we have to find this missing number. We can do this question by 2 or 3 methods here. Okay? If you understand only one, you can solve very easily. Always remember dear, it is A mean 2. What is 2? 2 means it is first term. It is second term. It is third term. We have to only remember in the question, dear. Everyone know if it is an AP. What is meaning of AP? AP mean the common difference must be same. Every time common difference is same. Look, suppose it is we are taking x. How much? X. If it is x, dear, so can you find d? Yes, we can find d also. D is a2 minus a1. So d is d. How much? A2, x minus 2. Understand, dear? Or you can find d also. D equal to a3 minus a2. Always we will take two conjugative terms, continuous. Don't take 26 and 2. A2, A1, A3, A2. So D is 26 minus 6. Understand, dear? And everyone know it is also D. It is also D. It means both are equal, because it means x minus 2 equal to 26 minus x. Because it is also D equal, it is also equal to, it means both are equal. What we want to find? X value. So what we will do? We will write x one side. It is negative, another side become positive. X plus x and 26 and minus 2 another side positive. So 2x equal to 28. X 2 is here, multiply, another side divide. So directly you can cut. What is? It is come 14. So what is value of for x? X is 14. You can verify also. It means how much number is adding every time? It is also 12. Here also 12. Understand, dear? So it is always remember, dear, because everyone know D. D mean common differences. Always same in APs. But we will do this question by one more method, dear. And if this method you understand, you can solve all the third questions same as it is. Look at. Everyone know A1. Always first we will write their values. A1. It is A1. And A1 everyone know in a general form and AP. First term A1 is always equal to A. It is A or not? A is 2. Understand or not? A1 means first term, and first term is always in general form. What is general form? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Understand, dear? Now same as it is. It is first term, it is second term, and it is third term. A3 is always equal to. Otherwise, dear, you can find by this formula also. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Either this formula or by general form you can write direct. Everyone know first term, second term, third term. So third term is A plus 2D. Otherwise you can use also this one, because n is how much? We want to find A3. A3 in place of n is 3. A is as it is, plus n is 3 minus 1 into D. So it is A plus 2D. A3 value is how much? So A3 value we will find A plus 2D. Otherwise, dear, you can remember it is A, second term A plus 1 less, A plus 2D. Look at 1 less. If it is n, so 1 less. If it is third term, so 2D. If it is fourth term, A plus 3D. So you can write direct also A plus 2D. How much? It is 26. Understand, dear? So otherwise you can put in this formula or you can write direct also. Okay. This formula is very important if you understand. So look at here A3. So it is meaning so everyone know A is how much? A equal to 2 and second is A plus 2D equal to 26. It's mean it is become two equation. A is how much? So write, put equation 1 you can write, equation 2. Always we will make two equation. Put A equal to 2 in equation 2 because A value we know 2. So it is 2 plus 2D equal to 26. We want to find value of D. 26 minus 2 2D 24. So D is how much? D is 12. D is 12. Here is also 12. But dear, we want to find what we want to find? A2, because it is first term, it is second term. So A2 is always A plus D. Always one thing remember dear, if any fill in the blanks we want to find, A3 A plus 2D, A2 A plus D. So always if we know A and D value, A and D, we can find any terms. So what is A2? A2 is, A is dear 2 plus D is also 12. So A2 value is 14. So what is it? Is X is 14. Some students are thinking, sir, it is very difficult. It is not difficult here. If you will do one or two questions by this method, all are very easy. You will not confuse it. Only we will write. Because if I ask you in this, find A10. So how will you find A10? A plus 90. A we know, D we know. Understand? Understand or not? So please note down both of the and all the question you can do yourself. One more part. Note down first it. Look at. Now dear, fill in the blanks. But here is given two fill in the blanks. So it is very difficult. First is X, second is Y, and it is becoming two variable. So it is very difficult to solve. So we will do such type of the questions always by this formula. Understand here? Because if A is given, then it is very easy. So what we will write? So we want to find A1. It is A1. It is A2. So A2 equal to A2 always A plus D. How much? 13. And it is A1, A2, A3 and A4. So A4 means A4 is A plus 3D equal to 3. Understand or not? Because everyone knows this formula. A4, A5, A plus 4D, A10, A plus 9D. So we will write A plus D equal to 13. Equation 1. A plus 3D equal to 3. Equation 2. Again it is become, now here we will use dear chapter number 3. These are two equations in variable A and D, but in third chapter X and Y. Here also two variable. So you can use by either method, cross multiplication, substitution or elimination. But elimination method is always easy one. Understand here? Because why? Because in elimination only make the coefficient of variable are equal. We already know it's coefficient 1, it is also coefficient 1. So it means both are same. So it is very easy to subtract. So we will write subtract equation 2 from equation 1. From 1. So A plus D equal to 13 dear. Now we will write here A plus 3D equal to 3. And whenever we want to subtract, always we will leave some space and change sign. Negative, negative, negative. Positive become negative. Positive become negative. A minus A, 0. D minus 3D minus 2D equal to 10. We want to find value of D. So minus 2 another side divide minus 2. So it is 10. Positive divided by negative. Negative. So it is come minus 5. So what is value of D? The value of D is dear minus 5. But every time whenever we want to find any term, I have already told you what we need. We need to find A and D. D we already find. So put D equal to minus 5 in equation 1 or 2 in any equation. So A plus D equal to 13. A plus D is how much? Minus 5 equal to 13. Positive into negative. Negative another side. Positive. 13 plus 5. So A equal to 18. Understand here? But we want to find A. A mean first term. So A is 18. Understand? And D, it is how much? So therefore A3. A3 mean A plus 2D A3. A is how much? First term 18 plus 2 into D minus 5. A3 18 minus 10. So A3 is 8. So you can write 8. You can verify also. D is how much? Minus 5. Every time adding minus 5. 18 minus 5, 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. It is very easy. Understand here? So this formula, so every time in the third chapter also I have already told you, we will use this equation every time. Whenever you will learn mathematics, we will use equation how to solve it. It is very important here. Understand it? I hope everyone understand it. So please do question number 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook. And one more example number 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Example 3, 4, 5. Also you have to do in your notebook. Understand dear? Thank you everyone. Have a good day.